In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the LinkedIn Connect button to a follow button. Let's start by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to the LinkedIn homepage. You'll do this by entering linkedin.com into the address bar. If you're not already signed in, you'll arrive at a login prompt. LinkedIn provides multiple options to sign in, including via Google, Apple, or by manually entering your email address and password. Choose whatever method you find most convenient. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is an excellent security measure by the way, be ready to verify your login with a code that'll be sent to your phone. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn profile page. Now, towards the top right corner of the page, you'll see your profile picture. Give that a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here, you want to select the Settings and Privacy option. This navigation will bring you to an area where you can adjust how you interact with LinkedIn and, crucially for our task, how others can interact with you. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, you'll notice several categories listed along the left side of the screen. Here, you want to click on the Visibility option. This section is particularly important as it governs who can see your profile and the various ways they can interact with it. So, scroll down a bit until you reach a section titled Followers. This is where you'll determine who can follow you and, importantly, how they do it. Now, for the key step, you'll find an option labeled Make Follow Primary. What this essentially means is that by toggling this setting, you decide whether the primary action on your profile is for others to connect with you or to follow you. If it's currently set to No, then your primary button is Connect. By simply toggling this option to Yes, you change this so the first button people see on your profile is Follow. And with this change, you've successfully set the Follow button as the primary action on your LinkedIn profile. This switch can be incredibly beneficial, especially if you're aiming to boost your follower count without having to juggle numerous connection requests. It allows individuals who are interested in your professional journey to keep up with your posts and activities without needing to be directly connected. Thanks for watching, and happy networking!